Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bill.com for vendor payments strategy detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Bill.com homepage. Locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password into the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. Once you've entered your email and password, click on the Sign In button. After a moment, you will be redirected to your Bill.com dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Look for the Payments section on the left-hand side menu. Click on Payments to access vendor payment options. To make a new payment, find the Make a Payment button and click it. Select the vendor you wish to pay from your list of vendors. Enter the payment amount for the selected vendor. Optionally, you can add a note for reference. Make sure to review the payment details before proceeding. Once confirmed, click on the Continue button. Next, select the payment method you wish to use. Follow any prompts to complete the payment process. After the payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation on your screen. You can check the status of your payment in the Payment History section. If you need to view or modify any details, navigate back to the Payment section. To log out, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Finally, select Log Out from the drop-down menu. This completes your login process and vendor payment strategy on Bill.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.